If you already have a fancy air purifier sitting in your living room, you might be wondering if your HVAC filter still matters. Let's clear that up. Air purifiers are great, especially in small spaces. They're like little air helpers that filter the air in one room at a time. But your HVAC system is responsible for the air in your whole home. Think of it like this. An air purifier is a desk fan, while your HVAC is the central air system at the mall. Different scale, different purpose. Even if your purifier is top of the line, it's only cleaning a limited area. Meanwhile, your HVAC system is constantly circulating air through the entire house, bedrooms, living room, kitchen, you name it. And every time that air cycles through, it passes through your filter. If your HVAC filter is dirty, low quality, or missing entirely, you're just spreading all that dust, pollen, and dander around again. So yes, even with an air purifier, you still need a good HVAC filter, and you need to change it regularly. You can think of the purifier as a bonus, not a replacement. It's great for high traffic rooms, nurseries, or allergy-prone spaces. But your air filter is your home's first line of defense. If you're using both a purifier and a filter, tell me what combo works best in the comments. I'm Miranda, and we've got more tips coming your way on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook.